Okay friends, real quick before we get started on this job, hands and eyes, we're going to be dealing with chemicals. With that said, we want to make sure we drain the coolant and then we're going to flush the system to make sure we can start off with brand new coolant by the time we're done. Let's go ahead and remove our radiator cap. Set that aside. Noticing that you have a plastic radiator and a plastic petcock, you might also find that the petcock just doesn't want to come out of there. If that's the case, obviously you don't want to continue because you could damage the radiator. So we're going to move right along over to here, which is the lower hose to the thermostat housing. Remove the clamp, just be prepared because coolant will come down. I like to put a nice funnel or a box carved out like this so it'll direct it into a nice bucket. At this point, we're going to slowly take this off of here and try to direct this into our recycling receptacle. Now that we've got the other side off, let's go ahead and follow the hose to where it connects onto the radiator on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and squeeze this clamp, we'll slide it out of the way and get the hose right off of here. Go ahead and give that hose a wiggle. Let's get it out of here. There it is, friends. Slide it in here. Everything should want to line up. I'm going to start with the thermostat side. You can start with whichever side you want. Slide that hose on there until it's completely bottomed out all the way around. We're going to set our clamp so it's not completely up against the thermostat housing, but it's definitely covering the area on the hose where it's still over the thermostat housing. Let's just snug it up a little bit for now. Go ahead and do the radiator side. Slide that all the way up. There we are. Go ahead and get your clamp situated. Once again, you don't want it at the end of the hose, just maybe like a 1/4 inch, even 1/8 of an inch away from the end. Snug that up as well. So now we're going to just go ahead and make sure that they're nice and snug using a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Once I feel as though it's kind of bottomed out, I'm just going to try to go a teeny bit more, but you definitely don't want to keep going until it ends up stripping out the clamp. Then you have to replace it again. Now let's do the same to this other clamp. Okay, bottomed out. Teeny bit more. Give it a nice wiggle. Nice wiggle. Everything's nice and tight. It's going to be time to fill the cooling system. You want a nice funnel like this, and you want to make sure you use the proper coolant. You want to use coolant that's either orange or, of course, the universal coolant, but definitely not green. I'm going to go with universal here. I'm going to fill it right up. Now, after you've run your vehicle for a while and you burped out all the air in it, you want to make sure you go ahead and put your radiator cap back on here. Push this right down, turn it so it's nice and tight, and now we're going to fill the overflow. Okay, close the hood, take it for a road test.